Hello students, today we are going to discuss about alcohols, a new topic. Alcohols, phenol, ethers. Alcohol, phenol, ethers. Classification of alcohols. First, based on number of hydroxy groups. Hydroxy means OH group. A, monohydric. Presence of one OH group. Example, CH3OH, methyl alcohol or wood alcohol. Another example, CH3CH2OH or C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol or grain alcohol. Grain alcohol. B, dihydric. Presence of two OH groups. Presence of two OH groups. Example, CH2OH, CH2OH called glycol. IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol. Ethane 1,2-diol. Example, OH, OH, common name, 1,2-dihydroxy benzene or catechol IUPAC name benzene 1,2-diol. All is the suffix of the suffix name. Suffix of the suffix name. Example, OH, OH. Common name 1,3-dihydroxy benzene or resorcinol. IPSC name benzene 1,3-diol. Another example, OH, common name 1,4-dihydroxy benzene or quinol. IPSC name benzene 1,4-diol. C, trihydric alcohols, presence of 3-hydroxy groups. Example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Called glycerol or glycerin. IPSC name propane 1,2,3-triol. Triol, monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Second one, based on degree of carbon, alcohol may be classified into A, 1 degree or primary alcohol, 1 degree or primary alcohol. It means only one carbon chain is attached to the carbon having alcohol group. Only one carbon chain is attached to the carbon having alcoholic group, primary alcohol. B, 2 degree or secondary alcohol. Example, CH3, CHOH, CH3 called isopropyl alcohol. Two carbon chains are attached to the carbon which contains hydroxy group or alcoholic group. C 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. Example: 3 carbon chains are attached to the carbon which contain alcoholic group. 3 carbon chains are attached to the carbon which contains alcoholic group. It is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Notebook: CH3 CH3 CH2OH. It is called isobutyl alcohol. Alcohol is the functional group attached to this carbon which has only one carbon chain, hence it is a 1 degree alcohol. Although it has a 3 degree carbon, but it is a primary alcohol because the carbon atom has only one carbon chain. This carbon has only one carbon chain and this carbon contains alcoholic group. Notebook: IUPAC names of alcohols: alkane anol, alkane longest continuous carbon chain N, lowest numbering all, suffix name. Example: CH3 CH OH CH2 CH3. It is the longest continuous carbon chain. 1 2 3 4. Butane 2 all, correct. 2 butanol, it is also correct, but wrong one. 1 methyl propane 1 all, wrong. 1 methyl 1 2 3 propane 1 all, wrong, because first select the longest continuous carbon chain and then give the lowest numbering. Example: isopentyl alcohol, CH3 CH3. It is the iso group. CH2 CH2OH, isopentyl. 1 2 3 4. Methyl is the locant. 3 methyl. Butane 1 butane 1 ol. Another example, isopropyl alcohol CH3CH3OH. First select the longest continuous carbon chain. Propane 2 ol, correct. Wrong. 1 methyl ethanol, wrong. 1 methyl ethanol, wrong. One methyl ethanol, wrong. Another example, tertiary butyl alcohol. First select the longest continuous carbon chain. 2 methyl propane 2 ol, 1 2 3 2 ol 2 methyl, 2 methyl propane 2 ol. Neo pentyl alcohol CH3 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 CH2 bond. It is the neo group alcohol. 1 2 3. It is the longest continuous carbon chain, and these are the locants or substituents. 2 2 dimethyl propane 1 ol, propane 1 ol. Another example, OH 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it is methyl. It is methyl. First select the longest continuous carbon chain and give the lowest numbering for the carbon which contains alcoholic group. Alcoholic group, it is 5 methyl octane 3 ol, octane 3 ol. Notebook, IUPAC names of ethers. Functional group, functional group, bond O bond. Molecular formula, molecular formula RO, R or R dash. Two alkyl groups may be different or identical. Common name alkyl ether or dialkyl ether. When two alkyl groups are different, alkyl ether. When two alkyl groups are identical, dialkyl ether. Dialkyl ether. IUPAC name. IUPAC name. N-alkoxy alkane. alkoxy is the shorter alkyl group plus oxygen. Alkane is the longer alkyl group. N is the lowest numbering for the carbon which has alkoxy group in longer alkyl or alkane. Lowest numbering for the carbon which has alkoxy group in longer alkyl or alkane. Example: CH3O CH2 CH3. Common name: methyl ethyl ether or ethyl methyl ether. In common name, no problem, you may follow law of alphabetical order or not. Methyl ethyl ether or ethyl methyl ether. IUPAC, shorter alkyl group methyl 1 2 1 methoxy ethane 1 methoxy ethane. Another example: CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Common name: diethyl ether IUPAC, two alkyl groups are identical, one is shorter and another one is longer type. 1 2 1 ethoxy ethane. As two alkyl groups are identical, one alkyl group behaves like shorter alkyl and other alkyl group behaves like longer alkyl. Another example: this alkyl group has 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon. This alkyl group has 1 2 carbon. It is the shorter alkyl called ethoxy. It is the longer alkyl 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. 3 is the lowest numbering. 3 ethoxy hexane. 3 ethoxy hexane. Okay. Notebook. Three ethoxy 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexane. Okay. Notebook. C3H7 bond OH has 2 alcohols and 1 ether. CH3 CH2 CH2OH called N-propyl alcohol. It is isopropyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. 1 ether CH3O CH2 CH3. Okay. Another example, C4H9OH has 4 alcohols and 3 ethers. 3 ethers, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. It is N-butyl alcohol or butanol. It is secondary butyl alcohol or butan-2-ol. Another one is isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. It is tertiary butyl alcohol. It is tertiary butyl alcohol. Ethers are CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. It is methyl N-propyl ether, CH3O CH3 CH3. It is methyl isopropyl ether. Another one, diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Another notebook, bond angle. It is also in the syllabus, bond angle. It is water, bond angle 104.5 degree. CH3OH, bond angle greater than 104.5 degree. C2H5H, this is greater than angle of methyl alcohol. CH3 this angle, it is greater than angle of ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Reason, size of hydrogen, methyl, ethyl, then dimethyl. Sorry. Size of hydrogen less than methyl, less than ethyl, less than dimethyl. Or bulkiness nature, hydrogen less than methyl, less than ethyl, less than dimethyl. Bulky or heavy group, repulsion, increases bond angle, bulky group repulsion increases bond angle. These are the classification of alcohol: monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Polyhydric means more than 3 OH groups. Then primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Then IPSC name of the alcohols. Then IPSC name of the ethers. Then angles. Bulky or heavy group repulsion increases the bond angle. Okay. Read carefully these concepts and be safe. Thank you.